I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and installing of this 24-inch honey blonde wig from Domiso hair. They actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So of course I'm going to link it in the description box. And guys, this color is fall. It is definitely giving fall. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm really excited because I feel like I haven't had like a nice honey blonde in a minute, you guys. So let's see what we have in here. Ooh, okay, this is a nice color. Hold on. We are going to go ahead and sit the wig to the side and look at the gifts in here. So we do have a pair of lashes, bang, 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 and a wig cap. So let's actually look at this wig, you guys. So this is a 24-inch and it is in the texture body wave. So let's see what she's giving. Let's see what the girls are giving. Okay, this is a fun color, okay, and it is already pre-curled, you guys. Like, this is like a very honey blonde. I feel like this is perfect for the fall. This is your fall color. So it is a 13x4. Let's see and look at the inside of the wig. And it does come with an elastic band. So that is fantastic. And as you can see, the wig is also already pre-curled. So we're just gonna shake these curls out and we're gonna be good. It's not gonna take too much styling for this wig at all. So here is the lace. It is a 13x4 lace front. So you get the 4 inches in the middle and then you get maybe a couple inches over here of parting on each side. So there is the wig and it already kind of has a middle part in it. So we are going to go ahead and install this wig. So first I'm going to add a little bit of makeup to the lace to make it just a little darker and closer to my skin tone. So let's do that. I'm out of my lace tint, so today we are just using a nice little brown powder opposed to the spray. Okay, bam, so let's put this wig on and see what we're working with. Okay, this color is kind of cute on me. It's something, it's a little different than what I'm used to, but I like it. It's a fun little color here. So I'm just gonna cut 2 slits over here at the temples. And let's go ahead and cut off all of this excess lace. I'm just using an eyebrow razor to cut this lace off real quick. Cutesy, cutesy, cutesy. This looks very grown and sexy. I feel like this is a very grown color. So I'm just going to use a little lace spray on this wig today to install this wig. So we're gonna do 3 layers. So this is layer 1. Oh. Okay, let's do layer 2. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm almost out of like all of my products. I really need to just go to the beauty supply and get a lot of new stuff. Okay, so let's do the 3rd and final layer, and we're gonna do it a little bit differently. And now we're gonna blow dry. So firstly, I'm placing the wig where I want it to be, and now I'm blow drying the wig. Instead of doing a layer, blow drying, before you actually blow dry, put the wig where you want it to be. And now I'm just gonna add a little extra makeup to the lace just to get it really blending in, make it look good. Bam. And now the lace is basically gone. Okay, so it already looks so much better with a little powder on the lace. Got the lace looking good. So I'm just adding a little mousse up top. We're gonna get this hair slick and a little flatter, but it's looking good already, guys. Already. I'm just really happy it's already pre-curled because I don't have to worry about styling too much. Like, I'm not big on styling. I'm not that good at it, so I love a good pre-curled wig, you guys. I love it. Eat it up every time. And now I'm just gonna add a little makeup in the part. I feel like it doesn't make too much of a difference when you have like a blonde wig, but let's add a little makeup. Get the part a little more sharp. I'm just adding a little concealer to the part. Just kind of like rake out these curls a little bit, get them a little looser. Okay guys, and honestly that is it. It does not take long. This install probably took me 7 minutes. You didn't have to style the hair. It was super easy to apply, and of course there is an elastic band in the back in case you are like a little head girly and you want your wig to be a little more secure, but this wig is definitely giving fall. It is giving fall, you guys. So, of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye.